Let's go. Di pa naman tayo close na.
Automatic to. Ano pinmanaw pa nag-close eh.
Okay, let's go to the
Oh my gosh, it's Kabakiran.
mansion.
Mansion. Speaking of mansions,
Yeah.
before when me and Atiana went to the dinner party, the house looked like a mansion.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
that is a mansion
That's
too.
another mansion.
Yeah.
Bro is rich.
Yeah, he's so rich. Here behind the Kabakiran,
Oh, I
there's
like
a
those
nice
flowers.
place here.
I like those.
Yeah, see? This is not a splash pad. You want to go in the splash pad?
No. I said I like these flowers.
Oh, you like it. Okay. We are here now. Where is the
I
mansion?
mean, that is the pool.
No, behind the big house.
Where's my guy here?
What?
There we are. Yay!
Yay. I can see the mansion. I didn't know.
There, the sheep. See? Look, look. They're eating the grass. Yeah, we're going to see it.
No.
There, that's the mansion.
Yay. I mean, no. Why can't I see it? I'm not supposed to see it. Wait, why is it so green?
Yeah. You let the, ano, the
Here in the
grass,
mansion.
you let the grass, sabay ka ay.
Oh, gypsy.
Dan, dan, dan. We're here.
Look, there's a big
Of course,
dog
we're
here.
going
Wait,
in there.
there's a big dog in here.
But nothing going on the inside the house.
Just wait for him to come out. Your Atinori is there. Watching.
He's looking.
Where's the big dog?
Ganon.
What do you mean that he's a big dog?
Yeah, there's a big dog here.
Yeah,
Coming out?
Atinori is there now.
Be careful.
Nada kita masitas da kato.
Wow, I cannot see the big dog.
Yeah, wait
Wait.
Daddy, you're gonna.
Truck.
What do you mean, big dog? Is the truck the big dog?
No. There's a big dog here.
Here,
Remember
see,
the
look.
dog?
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, that's the dog.
I-complete man dati nga. 3 minutes ta ikabit ko ti. It's a nice place. Where's Tini? There's Atinori there. Say hi.